Chemical piping and hazardous supply lines are common to many industries. Maintenance on pipelines and equipment requires the procedure of lockout to isolate hazardous energy. The upstream valve is closed and locked out, but valves can leak or fail. Even a minor leak can expose workers to dangerous hazards. A critical safety tool, a blind, also called a blanking plate, physically blocks the flow of an unintentional release of energy. Tagout has been the only worker identification option for blinds during maintenance. If not properly secured, tags could fall off from wind, exposure, or movement. Or if not following procedure, a worker may choose not to tag themselves. This exposes them to hazards, particularly when coworkers don't know they're performing maintenance down the pipeline. Blind lockout is now possible with the MasterLock Blind Flange lockout device. With simple and efficient installation, the device prevents unauthorized removal of a blind. Up to 4 workers can individually lock out the device or use safety hasps for larger group lockouts. Locking out the blind improves compliant practices and controls a potential hazard to workers, assuring safety down the pipeline. Gain confidence that workers are safe from hazardous chemicals, flammable gases, oil, steam, and other risks. The MasterLock Blind Flange Lockout device fits a wide range of applications and is available in 3 sizes to cover and lock out nuts ranging from 3/4 inch to 2 3/4 inches in diameter. The MasterLock Blind Flange Lockout device is a secure, best practice solution for pipeline maintenance. Contact your MasterLock representative or visit our website for more information.